Hello everyone, welcome to Brain Grain. In this video on this wonderful day, Gandhi Jayanti, we are going to talk about humanity. Mahatma Gandhi beautifully said that humanity is like an ocean. If few drops of it get dirty, the ocean doesn't become dirty. We all have been through times in which we don't actually believe humanity. We think that the whole world is negative, there are a lot of negative people around, and we don't need to trust or help each other. But that is not true. There are a lot of good people with great humanity, and humanity has changed the world over the years. Humanity is a very powerful tool because it brings all humans together. Humanity, in simple, is defined as humans together, which means all humans put collective together forms a humanity. So we human beings have to help each other and help the entire community grow. We lose hope in humanity when we see people behaving negatively, or when we hear a news about a group of people doing a negative thing, or when our friends or family tell about people who are being negative. So all these are just a negative act, and it is not a negative person, because there is no person who is born negative or who doesn't have humanity. So we cannot judge or we cannot define the entire community saying that there is no good people and there is no humanity in this world. Humanity has continuously changed lives over the period, and it has helped the human community to evolve as a group. There is a humanity under each and every person, and it comes out when it is totally unexpected. See, you're going on the road, and when you suddenly see a person in danger, when you rush towards it and you try to save the person, right? So that is an act of humanity. This is just an example. There are a lot of simple acts of humanity that are actually changing the world, and that will continue to change the world, the people, and the humankind. So there are two ways of being nice to people. One way is to be nice to people and expecting something in return, and the other way is being nice to people not expecting anything and feeling that the other person will also continue to be nice to others, and the chain will continue. So the second way of being nice to people much appreciated, because we don't have to be nice only to people from whom we are benefited. We can be nice to each and everyone. It can be a stranger, it can be a friend, it can be a family, it can be anyone. We can be nice to them. I'm going to share 4 acts of humanity that we can practice it every single day. The first one is valuing people. So a lot of people are worried about our self-value, but we can actually increase our self-value by valuing others. So the more we value the people around us, the more our self-value is. Second act is equal. There is no one superior or inferior to us in this world. We all might be under different locations, under different social statuses, and different age, gender, sex, anything it can be, but we all are equal. We need to feel it, we need to understand it, and we need to show it in terms of the act that we do. We need to give the same respect that we give to a 2-year-old kid and to a 70-year-old person. Third act, respect. Respect is something very important, and most of us expect it. So we need to respect each and every one without any differentiation. We need not worry about whether the other person will respect us the same way or not. Act 4, helpful. Be helpful. So we as a collective human beings can help each other to grow and succeed in life. So there is no better species than human beings which can actually transform the world. More than doing it as independent, it is always better to doing it as a group, as a community, for which we all can work together, we all can help each other grow, and we can change the world, we can create a difference. So starting today, if we follow these 4 acts of humanity, then we can actually see a change in ourselves and the people around us. So why to wait? Start doing it from today. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Like, share and subscribe for regular updates. Bye for now.